and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. On today's video, I'm gonna share my thoughts on some of the products that I ordered from Grove Collaborative, and they are Mrs. Meyers products and a Method product. So if this is something that you are interested in, then stay tuned and let's just go on into this review. So the first product I am going to review is the Mrs. Meyers dish soap, and it's in the scent Lemon Verbena. And on the label it says that lemon verbena is an herb with a light, wonderfully refreshing citrus scent. It is said to invigorate and stimulate the mind. How nice of an herb to pick you up. So I really liked this scent. I thought it was very refreshing, and it also says that it cuts grease, and we really did find that it did its job. So I will highly recommend getting this dish soap. We want to try other scents from Grove Collaborative, so we will definitely be ordering from them again. And I will leave a link down below, that way you can try out some of these products that I mentioned. On the back, I will show a clip of what the ingredients are, but I really like that they are all made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, aloe vera, glycerin, and soap bark extract. So everything is really all natural. Highly recommend it. The next product I am going to be reviewing is also a Mrs. Meyers product. It's in the same scent, Lemon Verbena, but this is the MultiSurface Everyday Cleaner, and it says on the label it removes dirt, freshens surfaces. So what my husband and I, what we found with this product is it really does linger. The scent stays, and that's something that we really enjoy with cleaners. It's not toxic. You don't choke when you're spraying it and cleaning it. So it really stays in the area when you're spraying and you're cleaning. So I really enjoyed this product. Like I said, we are definitely going to be ordering more products from Grove Collaborative. So let me know if you would like to see another unboxing video. I could totally share with you all what we get from them. Okay, this next product is also a Mrs. Meyers product, and it's the hand soap. We got this in the scent Lavender. The hand soap says that it's made with olive oil and aloe vera. Lavender, from what it reads on the label, lavender has been valued for years for having a wonderful scent. It is said to relax, soothe, and relieve fatigue, all from an herb. So I have to say, for this product, it is very strong. Personally, it does stay on your hands. The scent remains on your hands for a long period of time, which is nice. But I personally feel that lavender is such a strong scent. My husband loved it. So we'll most likely order this scent in hand soap again. But me personally, my opinion, I would probably want to try this and maybe the lemon verbena, and I will also leave a clip on what the ingredients is for the hand soap. Now the last product that I am going to be reviewing is a Method Daily Shower Cleaner. It's in the scent Eucalyptus Mint, and I loved this product. I have to say, I really liked it. I keep this in my shower. While I'm in the shower already, I will just spray my shower and I will just clean it, and I love it because it's non-toxic. And it actually says on the front label here that it's with non-toxic plant-based Power Green technology, and it cleans without having to rinse. So I really like this. It also says on the label that we think that clean smells like fresh mint leaves they're not chemicals. That's one thing when I noticed when I was cleaning, especially the shower, any bleach or anything like that, I would just cough and I would have to run out of the bathroom because of fumes and everything. So I wanted to get more into the natural base of cleaners, and I really enjoyed this. So I will definitely be ordering more from Grove Collaborative, especially this daily shower cleaner. Let me know if you have tried any of these products anything else that you may have ordered from Grove Collaborative. I would love to hear different products that you have tried from Mrs. Meyers or Method. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative and helpful for you. I guess I will see you all on my next video. Bye!